This is the 32 or the 323 SBR. Okay, dry, you're almost 8,000 pounds. Gross vehicle weight 99.50. Show price 36,995. Normally 5,500. Okay, so let's get a look at this one. All right, so you come in here, you got yourself a little L. This has got solid surface in here, Lisa.
Yeah, look at
Full
that.
single basin sink.
Yeah.
Right, nice drawers, door here, a big storage underneath. You've got some drawers here as well. Cabinetry up above. See, this is the kitchen I remember. Right?
Very similar.
Yep. The only difference is
Our old one had
a bar.
Yeah, a little
with a
bar.
couple of stools here, and the TV was right up here because the master was up front.
Yes.
Anyway, and we had a flip up right here as well.
Yes.
Okay, 3-burner stove, decent size oven. What's it say? RV industry first. It's an air fryer oven. Pretty cool.
Nice.
Nice.
Yeah.
All right, your high point microwave, Everchill 12 volt, refrigerator, freezer, and a nice big food pantry with solid shelves. That is awesome. Now this has a rear bedroom and the bed is on a slide. So look at how much room this gives you, right? It's just nice. So that looks like an RV King. It is definitely an RV King. No end tables, but you see there's these little shelves up top. I don't I don't particularly like them there because I would hit them. That's just me. I'd rather see them out here, but that's where they are. And there's 2 USB charging ports on either side. You do have a couple of cabinets up top. The reason why there's only a couple there because you have a bank of cabinetry over here, okay? As well as a place for a gigantic TV. You could put a 55 up there. Mm-hmm. That is a huge space, everybody.
It is.
So if you like to watch TV in bed, you want a big TV, this might be the unit.
That might be.
Dinette, we didn't cover it. It's sort of a U or C-shaped. That does drop off its poles to become part of a bed. There's no drawers. It's not solid, so you just, I would put bins underneath there.
Yeah.
The sofa folds out to be a bed. Your TV in the living room would go here. It's kind of at a bit of an angle with the fireplace. I'm assuming this is going to be your bathroom, which it is. I can tell you that toilet is going to be great. I can tell you the shower is not. It's going to be a little bit tight for someone my size. I may fit height-wise, but the corner ones are a little bit tough for someone my size. Okay, 6'4", 220 pounds. Single basin vanity cabinet underneath, and you do have a couple cubbies there. No medicine cabinet. The mirror is flat against the wall. Okay, and last but not least, there's this outside door there, which leads in here, because this is sort of a bunk area, which is kind of neat, Lisa.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that there, I'm assuming this goes here to become solid, and that'd be one big bed down there.
Or raises it up if you need for storage, I guess.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Okay.
Cool.
Yeah, because you've got your door
You've got
right
your
here.
access door right there.
So, yeah.
If you want to put some bikes in there, you can do that.
Yeah.
Or whatever, really.
Yeah.
You could probably
put a canoe in there if you put it in sideways.
I'd go kayak first before
kayak.
canoe.
You're right. Canoe's
Right?
too big.
If you want to do a washer dryer, you can do that.
It's got a washer dryer prep.
Oh, excuse me, everybody. And then, of course, there's a bunk up top, too.
Yeah.
Nice design. Yeah. Let's look at the floor plan again from the outside.
Okay.
It's a little hard with this aspect ratio, but I want to see. They're showing bikes.
Oh, yeah.
They're suggesting that you could put some bikes or e-bikes in there or whatever. Okay? So, not bad. Not bad.